So here is how you can block unknown callers on the iPhone. Let me explain that and show you exactly how to set it up. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So on your iPhone, you just open up the main settings app as usual whenever you want to change and set up some of the things, but I want you to scroll entirely to the bottom. So at the bottom, you can find the apps section. So tap on the apps menu, and from this, just scroll through the alphabetical order of apps until you find the phone app, right? So you can even look it up through the search, but go to the phone and in there scroll a little bit again until you find the call filtering. And there is a toggle to enable the unknown callers. And when you have that turned on, it means you have the filtering enabled, meaning that you are not necessarily blocking them, but they are not going to ring and they are going to be like missed calls, and voicemails are going to be moved to the unknown callers list. So the phone is not really going to notify about it, right? You're just gonna notice it later when you go to the phone app and you'll browse it and you'll see all of the calls which you missed, which were blocked or silenced because you don't know those people. The other option that we have with it is when you scroll up a little bit, and there is the screen unknown callers, and there is another set of options to pick between. You have the never ask reason for calling and a silence, right? So if I set it to be the silence, it means that calls from unsaved numbers, the unknown callers, will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed in the reasons list. So that's something that you have the ability to enable as well. And with the combination of these features, you have the ability to screen and make sure that only the people that you want will actually get in touch with you. So let me know if you manage to set it up. For more tutorials and videos similar like this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the future ones, and I'll talk to you later.